We have the Hulken bag, and this is the medium in ultraviolet, is what they call it. It's a pretty impressive bag, great quality, heavy duty, almost a tarp-like material. It can hold up to 66 pounds. It's about 19 inches deep and 16 inches wide, 10 inches in depth this way. So it can hold quite a bit of stuff. It's perfect for taking to the grocery store whenever you need to get everything back in. You just pile your groceries in it, roll it. It spins really easy. I mean, it's got 4 wheels on the bottom that are super smooth, and they spin in all directions. And the cool thing is it folds down and goes completely flat. Super easy to pack up, and there you go. That's the Hulken bag.